Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome replay viewers. Once again, we are at the Long Island Railroad Westhampton station for the Friday night train 16, the Cannonball, New York's Penn Station to Montauk. Jake Fisherman, Montauk, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the final Friday night Cannonball. Naboul, hello to you. Thank you for joining. All the way in south of France, southern France, folks. Naboul tunes in late at night to be with us. So here we are, Labor Day weekend coming up in the United States. Might be celebrated elsewhere, but I think it's really an American-created holiday. Mr. Master is saying hello from Westhampton. We have a few people with us tonight, good friends who are here. With Neil, Malik, and Craig. We're all here to do the final Cannonball for the 2025 summer season. Hopefully on time, right? Hopefully.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say hello to Mr. Master 767.
That is me. Hey now.
Expert video man here. If you don't watch his channel or you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to Mr. Master 767.
The one and only.
The one and only. Okay. Let's see, let's walk down to the west end of the platform here at Westhampton. Here is our classic station located here at Westhampton. Built in the late 1890s, I believe, when it first was erected here. And here comes Malik to join us up on the platform. And Neil is going to handle the west end of the old platform too. But anyway, the building was built in the late 1890s. It was renovated 20, 30 years ago. There was a fire here, so they had to redo the building. But it's a classic station for the Long Island Railroad. So we are at what we like to refer to as the east end of Long Island, the resort area. Basically the Hamptons, Westhampton, Hampton Bays, Southampton, Bridgehampton, Easthampton, and then of course Montauk at the end of the South Fork of the island. It is. It's really great.
Yeah, Cannonball is about to make it to it's just running. It's about to run the curve. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So
Yep,
there's a good update for it.
Ready.
Thanks, Malik.
No problem.
7 minute, nominally a 7-minute run from Speonk to Westhampton, so he's approximately that time distance from us now. Cannonball leaves Penn Station, New York's Penn Station, at 4:07 p.m. and runs express here to Westhampton, approximately 78 rail miles. Makes its first stop. Andrea, how good to see Dutch is with us too tonight. Dutch Vanderlinde. Thank you, Andrea, for joining. Thanks, Dutch. We're here. 2025 season went by quickly, didn't it? Summer season. When you think this is the final Friday night Cannonball. Let's hide the small check because I have the widget set up to read your chats. There we go. So now there's no overlap. Yeah, it's somewhat sad, Dutch. I agree with you. But it makes it special also. I mean, you know, if they ran this as the Cannonball longer into the season or year round, it wouldn't have the special meaning that it does. The special panache, as we say, eh? I'm sure it's crowded. Cooler, dry weekend in store for the east end of Long Island. By cooler, I mean temperatures in the high 70s, maybe 80, possibly 80, but low humidity. And it basically brings an end to the unofficial summer season for the east end of Long Island, South Fork, and the North Fork too. This parking lot will fill up shortly with cars to pick up passengers getting off the train here. Sometimes you see some people waiting to get on board here and head to Montauk. Okay, the train is due at Westhampton at 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Next stop after Westhampton will be Southampton, followed by Bridgehampton, Easthampton, and Montauk. We'll keep an eye out for the headlight of the lead locomotive. 2 EMD DM30 ACs powering 12 Kawasaki C3 bilevel passenger coaches. Okay, Dutch. 512, 500 tonight. Okay, thank you.
Hey, hey.
Here. Do I see that, or is that just a reflection off the tracks?
Probably just a reflection.
Yeah, just a reflection right now. Well, the wind is against us for the horn, but the wind is out of the east tonight, so that'll suppress the horn sound carrying this direction. But there is a semi-private crossing just to the east of Old Country Road. Goes into a work yard down there.
Is my mic on? There we go.
Okay.
Getting there.
All right, that's the official cookbook announcement just made behind us on the station platform loudspeakers. The train to Montauk will be here in 6 minutes. .512 on point, 500 in trail. We'll see how the horn sounds on 512. I'm not that familiar with that, but unincorporated area of Westhampton in the township of Southampton. But 5 feet to my rear here is, we will be in the incorporated village of Westhampton Beach. Oh, there's a horn as he's approaching Old Country Road. K5LL. Okay. Thanks for that update. K5LL horns. Oh yeah, there's the headlight. Rounding the curve. There's the horn for the private crossing. Yeah, Dutch, there's a little bit of a reason for that sadness in my voice. It's been a rough month of August, but we're doing okay. Okay, here we go. Cannonball, give him a salute. Okay, men and women. 8 cars. They'll open up the first 6. The train is packed. Standing room only in the vestibules.
I think it's just dumped.
American Rail fan, yeah, Craig has been my right-hand man here, and he'll explain to you why I'm saying I had a bad month. But I also have my marching orders, which is to carry on. So that's what we're doing tonight, folks. Soldiering on. This is packed, folks. The train is packed. SRO. Recharged out air brake system, right? Dutch, is that what they're doing? Emergency application. Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah, this is a good train. We love it. They're all running forward to get into those cars, not knowing that we're going to do a double stop. Yeah. Well, maybe he was approaching a little too fast or something, and he would have overshot part of the platform. Neil is right next to me, yes. Mike.
Whoever that is, hello.
There they are. There are my good buddies here. This is the man that keeps me supplied with Coke Zero
Absolutely.
at our local King Cullen.
Absolutely.
Okay, the crew is now executing the double stop, and they will move the rear 8 cars forward to open those up. Oh, you saw it in Sayville, okay. They went flying through there. Let's see if our MOE crew is with us. I'm sure they are. 500. The logo. You guys move forward. I'm going to stay right here. Malik and I will hang out at this end.
Yep. I'll get
Yeah,
this
to
shot.
get out of your way, yeah.
No problem.
500 king of the DMs, eh? Okay.
It always somehow manages to get on the Cannonball set every time. It's so crazy.
Look at the crowd getting off the train tonight, folks, for the Labor Day weekend. Partly cloudy skies in the background. Cooler temperatures this weekend, but that doesn't stop the folks from heading to the Hamptons for the final big blast of the summer season. I don't know, the one that impressed me last week was 509 on point for 6095 heading west on Sunday. When he came blasting into Speonk Station,
Damn.
that was quite a horn display. Okay, pulling out. Next stop, Southampton, followed by Bridgehampton, Easthampton, and Montauk. So thank you very, very much, good people, for joining me tonight. Not sure about train 24. No. The other guys will have that up on this. If it's tonight's train, they'll have it on their streams. That's a wrap. Nabil, you're welcome. Thanks for joining us all the way from France. Wow, staying up late for this. This is going to take a while to get out of here tonight, so folks, just let me fan around and show you the parking lot here at the first stop in Westhampton Beach. American Rail fan, you too, have a good one. Oh, I know what happened. I'm in a bad spot here. Let me get back to where I was. Reflections. Any dropout?
Yeah.
Okay, because of buffering and possible dropout, I think you know my routine by now. I also take the recording off the iPhone and put that up as a regular YouTube video on my YouTube channel, Redstone Soldier. So we have the live broadcast on the website now, but we'll have the backup video a few hours from now, or first thing tomorrow morning. Yes, Benjamin, yes. Thank you. July 18th, 20. Happy Friday, Labor Day to you too. Yeah. Okay, good people. Thank you very much. I will be planning on being back on the air Monday, Labor Day, at Spionk, approximately 12:45 p.m. for the westbound trip of train 6095, which should be the same set that you see tonight on the eastbound Cannonball. That will be a 12-car train taking all the, well, many of the holiday visitors back from the East End to New York City. And they run that as a dual mode all the way to Penn Station now. So that's an interesting train to see. So, okay, folks, see you Sunday afternoon or Sunday noontime. Take care, everybody.